and welcome back to the second episode of Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host Ayushi Amrute, and today we have this super duper cool person with us. He is not just, and I quote from his Instagram bio, that guy from D3, but he's also a choreographer, a dancer. He is a part of Desi Hoppers. Please welcome Macedon DeMello.
Whoa! What is up?
Hello,
What is
Macedon008. What's up, Macedon
Hi
0?
Ayushi underscore Ice
That is how we greet each other.
each
Uh,
other. We always greet each other that way.
yes. First of all, Massey, thank you so much for coming on my show. I am super excited. I know this one's going to be like crazy fun and we'll be giggling all the time.
Absolutely. And thank you so much for having me also. Usually I don't wake up so early, but thank you for making me get up early, have my chai before time. But yeah,
First D3, then Bindas Nach, then World of Dance, then America's Got Talent, World of Dance again, the TV series. There was so much happening back to back in your life. Did
yeah.
you get a chance to like just sit and process these things like, oh bhai bahut kuch ho raha hai, matlab ye bhi hai, now this that, how did it happen so fast, like did you think like that, what was
So
going in your head?
honestly, this I follow this funda of go with the flow.
Hmm.
Even when it comes to my personal, even my career, even my life. So initially when I started off in HR. I started dancing for the college, and I never knew that I would get an opportunity in D3. So ऐसे randomly एक बार we had actually doing India Fest. India Fest was this huge competition back then,
Yeah,
Channel V
I
का, and we
remember.
like at that time we were SSDC. So there was this one person that randomly आया बोला कि यार please there's this TV show coming, dance show. So can you guys audition? We said हाँ ठीक है, we'll go. So they took our numbers, they called us to Kanjurmarg, this place we never even heard of. Like, क्या है, कौन सा जगह है ये? हम लोग सब इधर वेस्टर्न वाले, कांजुरमार्ग क्या है? मतलब, it sounded only so like, some, God knows what it was, some dungeon or something. So we went over there, and it was me, Shantanu and another friend called Naveen. So they gave us a script. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने बोला कि ये स्क्रिप्ट है तुम्हारा, तुम इसको, पहले हम लोग को बोला कि डांस है, तो वी थॉट कि जस्ट वील गो डू अ फ्री स्टाइल सोलो, we'll all kill it with our solos and then we'll go. They said they gave us such a big script, इतना बड़ा. They said कि तुमको ये भी बोलना है. तो हमने बोला ये कहाँ पे है? हमको बोला नहीं था. They said नहीं नहीं. तो फुल मेकअप हेयर चालू कि हम सबकी ना फटे पड़ी है. मतलब we are like
What are you?
कि जिसका भी पहले होएगा ना, whoever remembers it first will go and say it. So वो competition था. So Naveen was very
God.
good with Naveen was very good with रट्टा मारवानी. So उसका first हो गया. बोला तू जाके बोल. ठीक है. So and all of us were there when the audition was happening, so look test चल रहा था. So he went, they said action. तो नवीन ने ऐसा बोला, ये मेरा नाम रे है, मेरा सबसे बड़ा दिन है, पूछो क्योंकि आज मेरे सबसे बड़ा दिन है, खत्म. तो हम लोग को इतना हंसी, हम लोग बोला यार मतलब कुछ तो इमोशन डाल. मतलब पता है हम लोग एक्टर्स नहीं है, बट कुछ तो हम लोग को पता था कि क्या नहीं करना है वहां पे.
Hmm.
We got an idea of what not to do. So yeah, I mean that happened, and then from there that audition happened. It was very bad, honestly, like very very bad. But still, I got another call for to get shortlisted. Yeah, uske baad D3 happened, and then so when D3 got over, we were like, ab kya karna? Then we always wanted, like me, Shantanu, we always had a dream ki represent karna hai India ko. We want to, we have that potential in us, but we just don't know how to get through it. So we
Yeah.
contacted Palki ma'am, who's the creator of D3, and she pitched this concept to BBC saying, we'll make a crew and we'll figure out a way and we'll go for HHI. HHI was the main this thing.
Yeah.
But तब तक HHI I think was already I think उसका LMs और वो सब हो गया था India
Hmm.
LMs. So we couldn't participate. So we got to know of a new competition called World of Dance. मतलब हम लोग ने research किया था.
Hmm.
So we messaged them, we mailed them directly, we would like to participate, and India qualifies नहीं हो रहा था WOD का भी. तो हम लोग
Yeah.
कैसे करेगा? So they said कि you guys send us a video, and if we think it's worth it, like if you guys can come and participate, तो हम लोग करेगा. मतलब we'll let you guys come in and competition में we'll let you participate. So we sent a video to WOD, and fortunately we got through. the qualifiers, because according to their terms and conditions also, when you know when we actually won, बहुत लोग ने बोला कि अरे इंडिया में तो क्वालिफायर था नहीं, तो ये लोग जीते कैसे, डब्ल्यूओडी कैसे गए. तो मतलब हम लोग ने बोला कि यार इन गवार लोग को बोलने के से मतलब नहीं है, like there is no use of arguing. If they actually had the time, they would go to the WOD page, go to the rules and regulations, where I think on the fifth or sixth page it's written over there कि the country that doesn't have WOD qualifiers can send in their videos, and if we like it, then we'll, you know, अगर हमको लगता है कि they are worth it, then we'll help them qualify, but they have to come back, come here on their own. तो
Hmm.
उधर एक रूल था जो बहुत गवार जो थे, जिन्हों you know, they were anti us winning, they had a problem with, you know, अरे कैसे गए, कुछ कुछ रिसर्च विसर्च तो करते हैं नहीं, सिर्फ बोलने के लिए बोलते, because Facebook was big back then. But yeah, so so yeah, and we got through. We were like, अरे माँ कसम, अभी तो हम लोग को, so basically the whole plot of the show was कि an Indian crew, you know, fulfilling their dream of, you know, going international and performing on the stage. Like,
Hmm.
you know, every Indian dancer always wants to go international and perform. ऐसा,
Yeah.
like, you know, जीतना बीतना तो पता नहीं था. So we were like, हाँ ठीक है यार, एक routine तैयार करते, full kick ass, where, you know, it's too much, it's full on fun, it's full on it's desi also, plus it's hip hop also. Like, you know, it's a mixture of both. That's how the name also came of the crew. So we went, we performed, and start, हम लोग का ऐसा ऐसा था कि यार परफॉर्म करें, घर चले जाएंगे, स्ट्रेस नहीं, जीतने तो वाले हैं नहीं, कहाँ जीतने वाले यार हम लोग. So and after we performed, we got a standing ovation. Judges खड़े हो गए, crowd खड़ा हो गया, people are chanting. People like, ये क्या है,
It
मतलब क्या
was
किया
a
हम लोग.
great performance. Like it was entertaining. Plus, I loved the combination as well. Like, it was great.
So that happened, and then they were like, you know, matlab, we'll be announcing the winners later at around 11:30. We finished our performance, I think, around 7. I don't remember what time, but I think जल्दी खत्म हुआ था अपना. And they said 11:30 को हम लोग अनाउंस कर रहे हैं. तो हम लोग सब लोग ऐसे थे कि हाँ, एक दूसरे को बोलते क्या रुकेंगे 11:30 तक, नींद आ रही है यार, वैसे भी नहीं जीतने वाले, कुछ भी काहे के लिए रुका के रखे. बट दे हैड लाइक एवरी खड़े बोला कि थर्ड प्लेस ये था. और मेरे को ऑनेस्टली दिल से लग रहा था कि हम लोग थर्ड. आई सॉ द होल थिंग, लाइक ऑल द एक्ट्स, मोस्ट ऑफ देम, एंड आई थॉट कि थर्ड तो हम लोग मार सकते हैं, ऐसा इतना भी बुरा नहीं था कि, मतलब नो, आई थॉट कि थर्ड तो मिल सकता है. बट थर्ड किसी और को गया, मैं बोला गया अभी नहीं मिलेगा. तो सेकंड अनाउंस किया, तो फर्स्ट दे वाला लाइक, यू नो, द गाय सेड 96.33, एंड यू नो द क्राउड फेवरेट, ये वो. बोला हाँ रहेगा कोई अच्छा, कोई यार बहुत अच्छा, बहुत चांद्र से ऐसे बात कर रहा था. देसी ऑफर्स बोला, बोला क्या बात कर रहा है, हमारा नाम लिया, पागल, full pagal. So that was happened, and from there we got on to then AGT happened, because you know we won, so we got contacted from AGT. But AGT का scene ये हो गया था, we got 4 yeses, but invest American investor, मतलब an Indian person who is an American citizen जो investor था, तो कोई मिला ही नहीं मतलब साइन वाइन करने के लिए, तो वो चले गए. Then happened NBC's World of Dance. That was the biggest, you know, feather on my hat. Like, you know, we never expected some, like, getting a call from there, but when we did, we were like, you know, let's just do this. This is a make or break for us also. Unfortunately, after the third round, we couldn't get through. But you know, there's something called as reality politics, तो वो समझ में आ गया था हमको. But anyways, yeah, I didn't get time to actually sit down and breathe and think, you know, yeah, everything just kept coming in. So I didn't want to stop and be like, you know, Abhi, let's see let's think about a future. Let's do that. So currently I'm doing that right now because, you
Currently,
know, yeah,
everybody is doing that, I feel.
everybody's doing that. Absolutely. It's been 10 years, amazing experience and journey. And I hope it continues
Of
till my
course.
feet can move.
Of course it
Yeah.
will. I mean, so like you were there, like you were performing, you were doing so many shows, and side by side choreographies ka bhi chal raha tha. Like you were
Yeah.
choreographing with Super Dancer and Nach Baliye. And
Yeah.
I watched all the acts and they looked amazing. So, I mean, first of all, kudos to you and Desi Hoppers as well. But like while you're doing this, you know, working as a dancer for you, like from Indian reality, and when you went to WOT, the TV series, was there like a difference in how they operate or how their audience reacts? Like, what was it?
See, so here we have Indian reality shows. They have paid audience. Like there are some people like family members and all come, but you have your paid audience
Paid
also.
audience, yeah.
वहाँ पे they sell tickets to
They
people to
do?
come. Yeah, yeah. So AGT they
Wow.
sell tickets. मतलब if you want to come and watch because the audience is genuine over there. ऐसा नहीं कि खरीद जूनियर जाए खरीद के आए. Sub even NBC also people they come to watch. Like they don't have paid people and their way of working is very different, dude. Like for example, NBC also they like same like our reality show only, but अपना कैसे 10 से 10 होता है ठीक है वी स्टार्ट एट 10 AM हम लोग का 10 से 10 रिहर्सल होता है तो वी आर यूज्ड टू दैट
Hmm.
वी आर यूज्ड टू वर्किंग दैट लॉन्ग 10 से 10 कभी 12 भी चल गया एक भी चल गया अगले दिन वापस आओ देयर वी हैड जस्ट 1 hour ऑफ रिहर्सल yeah so when you go there we went there we were like we want a space to rehearse they said yeah, yeah you all can if you all want a space to rehearse we can surely give it to you all but there's a rule कि लाइक उन लोगों ने क्या किया था बैक स्टेज जहाँ पे सेट है ना उन लोगों ने 2-3 बैक स्टेज बनाया था और सर्कल बनाया था लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर मेन स्टेज
Hmm.
सो देयर यू विल गेट 1 hour और 1 hour भी कैसा मतलब यू कम सर्कल में एंटर किया ना एक बंदा उधर बैठा है जो म्यूजिक प्ले करेगा ही विल टैप ऑन द क्लॉक ठीक है तो 10-10 या इफ यू आर लेट गया भाई तुम्हारा
Gone.
10 मिनट गया वेस्ट हाँ 10 o'clock you entered they'll tap टिक 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 15 minutes रिमेनिंग 10 minutes रिमेनिंग ऐसा और हम लोग की जो उन लोग बोला कि 1 घंटे में क्या हम लोग 1 घंटे तो वार्म अप में लेते हैं यार हम लोग आराम से आते थे हाँ एंड इट वाज कोल्ड ओवर देयर सो वी हैड टू वार्म अप इन आवर रूम्स इन आवर where we were staying and then come there because ठंडा था and body उधर full ऐसा 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 सा हो रहा था
हाँ.
फुल ठंडी ठंड 6 बजे उठाते 7 बजे कभी कभी एंड इन द होटल ऑल्सो देयर वाज दिस वन स्पेस उधर भी सिर्फ 1.5 घंटा या 2 घंटा मिलेगा तुमको 1 घंटा so they are like they don't work for very long hours number one number two is that technically because they have their entire camera setup and all because of technology wise they are very a step ahead than us but working wise भाई इंडिया में मतलब नहीं है यार इफ वी गेट दैट टेक्नोलॉजी ना नेक्स्ट हम लोग कहाँ पे कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे 15 मिनट टेक्निकल मतलब हम लोग को 15 मिनट में 3 रन करना रहता था और एक रन के बाद ऐसा हाँ हाँ हाँ
Wow. Okay. They're like,
so and obviously there's nappy type sitting in front of you and there's all these big producers sitting in front of so even though you're tired you can't be like 2 मिनट ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हम लोग ऐसे एक रन कर देते हैं माँ कसम से पीछे मुड़ के लगे वापस okay guys we'll be ready in 3 minutes हम लोग ऐसा 3 मिनट अबे रुक बे 2 मिनट तो दे हम लोग का सांस oh god too much for this technique हम लोग की ना परफॉर्मेंस के दिन फटती नहीं थी टेक्निकल के दिन फटती थी तो पहला मूव वाज वेयर वी क्लाइम ऑन टॉप एंड शांतनु एकदम ऊपर आता है आई एम दैट फ्लाइट दैट यू गेट ऑन इंटरनेशनल पे कूदता है तो वो हुआ ना बिकॉज जैक को लगा था एंड शांतनु जैक पे चढ़ रहा था तो बिकॉज जैक गॉट हर्ट तो ही कुडंट टेक हिज वेट ड्यूरिंग द शो फ्लो तो शांतनु भी फिसल गया था जब ये हुआ ना ऑन शूट व्हेन यू वर डूइंग इट अरे वो खड़ा हुआ ये चल 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 सबका वाइब आ गया बिकॉज ही नेल्ड दैट मूव बिकॉज
yeah.
जेलो का रिएक्शन आ गया था अरे माँ कसम व्हाट उसने व्हाट बोला था तो हम लोग को समझ में आ गया चल खींच 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 अपना जो लैंग्वेज है व्हेन वी आर ऑन
Of
स्टेज
course.
चल चल लेट्स गो ओहो फिर तो सब नेल हुआ ना इट वाज टू फनी बट या दैट वाज वन ग्रेट मेमोरी ऑफ एनवीसी
But then
बट
also like
टेक्निकलिटी वाइज
I
या
feel that अगर मतलब जेलो बैठी हुई है सामने and to crash in front of her would be like, I mean,
या डूड
first of all, I don't know how did you even manage to perform in front of such great people or such celebs. It kind
या
of makes you nervous somewhere, but then to be able to pull it off and to do moves that you were crashing with a night ago, I think it's amazing to even be able to just go and give your 200% and represent your
Correct.
country on such a big stage. So
Yeah.
kudos to you, man, and kudos to Desi
Thank
Hoppers.
you.
This brings us to game number 1 of the show. It's called Speak About This for a Minute.
Oh,
Okay.
speak about it. A minute only? Chal, theek hai.
Only a minute, yeah. It's so we have this.
So do you have like this
mountain
beep
of
beep beep
shapes.
beep beep? हाँ
नहीं, मेरे पास फोन है जिसमें टाइमर बजेगा. I will let you know. And then edit पे I
okay.
will put time. Sasta production. Okay. So you see this. I have a chit. I have a bowl full of chits, and then the numbers are from 1 to 8. You pick a number जो तेरा topic होगा, ठीक है? I will show you the topic, and then you speak about that topic for a minute.
Done.
Done? Okay.
Done.
Are you ready? Pick one.
Yes.
Pick a number.
8.
8. Yeah, what's with you guys in picking number 8?
अरे मेरा 8 is my birthday, dude. तो
Aw.
इसके वजह से.
Okay.
And it's my lucky number also.
Okay. Your topic is sweat in chart.
What is sweat in chat?
Sweat in chart. Chart food that we eat, and then there's sweat
अच्छा.
of the
हाँ चल
chart maker. Are you ready? All right.
अरे absolutely.
You're always ready. Your time starts now. Go.
So sweat in chart is very important. It's a basic necessity of a chart wala because you know without his sweat and because वो मेहनत का पसीना होता है. अभी मेहनत का पसीना में क्या होता है वो मेहनत अगर जब तक चाट में जाएगी नहीं तब तक उसका फ्लेवर उभर के नहीं आएगा. See the reason why when we make chaat at home it's very bad, but the chaat outside is always very good. Why? Because you know when he's making it he's doing all this. He's you know scratching his private parts maybe. So वो तब का भी फ्लेवर आ जाता है चाट में और वो चाट फिर वो अलग अलग फ्लेवर अलग टेस्ट का बन जाता है. सो आई थिंक स्वेट इन चाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज यू नो नो व्हाट दे से नो पेन नो गेन. सो नो स्वेट नो आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द वर्ड बट चलेगा. कुछ अच्छा वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है बट मेरी भावना तो ऑब्वियसली यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ऑल्सो अलॉन्ग विथ स्वेट आई थिंक other things that are important are flies because when they come and they you know they drop their little feet into the onions and potatoes and all of that. That's very important.
And your time is up. Congratulations. That was my mother. Congratulations. You did really well on speaking about sweat in chart for a minute. So when D3 happened, मतलब जब वो finally air हुआ, जब लोगों को दिखने लग गया था show and it kind of was trending back then. So did things around you change? Like were you suddenly this cool guy in college? I know first like you're from HR and then all cool ones come from HR, or at least they claim to be
Xavier's HR is HR. There are a lot of cool people but they're not recognized because सब लोग terrace पे रहते हैं ना, वो problem है. हाँ और when so initially you know I used to travel by train because payment आया नहीं था and you know हम उतने अमीर थे नहीं. So people started recognizing in the trains also. They're like अरे तो ये वो. So I started wearing a hanky. Then I was like यार train से तो नहीं जम रहा अभी तो I'll have to switch to you know autos only because even though it's Kanjur थोड़ा far करना पड़ेगा. So that happened and then autos also people used to recognize. Started recognizing अरे ये तो अरे hi. तो फिर ऐसे लगने लगा ऑटो में अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है बाइक ले लेते. तो आई टुक अ स्कूटी आफ्टर दैट.
Status.
Yeah, I mean थोड़ा स्कूटी ले लिया गाड़ी भी नहीं लिया but I was like चलेगा अभी इतना तो ठीक है. But yeah, a lot of people used to recognize. So yeah, there was a big drastic change in terms of recognition. But it never got to my head, touch wood. It's still not there. And I'm happy कि वो हुआ because मजा था वो. अलग अलग फील अलग मजा आता है
उसमें. It's an experience, yeah. It's
yeah,
like when you're
completely.
being appreciated and people are like you know recognizing you and they're like oh ये तो that from D3.
But the biggest problem is to be you know what. So sometimes I used to go clubbing. ठीक है. अभी एक लड़की पसंद आई. And you'll be like you know अभी I'll go and probably talk to her and be like you know hey whatever get a number or whatever. Very very frank. Cut to Shilonika and she'll be like hey you're on D3 other guy on D3 can I have a picture. And then I should be like अरे यार अभी कैसे करेगा मतलब तू तो फैन निकला फैन के साथ कैसे कर सकता है. मैं
कैसे होएगा.
बहुत बार हुआ है like you know I used to find the girl cute and probably I want to approach her but then fan and then I was like okay yeah thank you bye. दिल पे ऐसा फिर वो बहुत बार हुआ है. तो वो good thing also, bad thing also, but yeah,
Yeah,
that
I was
used to
about
happen a
to
lot.
be like, is that a good thing or a bad thing for you? But yeah, I mean,
It depends. If you want to, you know, probably flirt around with your friends, it's how you take it. But I would never do that. I mean, ethically, I just feel it's not right.
yeah.
Like, you know, a lot of people didn't know me also, which was good. Like some I had gone to Goa once upon a time. So there was someone who didn't even saw the like she never saw the show. But we jammed and we chilled. मतलब दोस्त वैसा नहीं. So yeah, good. वो भी अच्छा है.
दोस्त वैसा कुछ नहीं, like
हाँ
friends.
बोलने में क्या है यार इसमें क्या है everyone people a lot of people talk about it people don't talk about it the people who don't talk about it I don't know why they don't talk about it it's a normal thing like क्या है उसमें मतलब करने में क्या problem so yeah
It's life. It's
yeah
basically
for everybody
yeah. So
especially in the lockdown.
let's not even get started on that. I mean,
Yeah dude.
talking about lockdown, you are creating so much content. Like you are dancing, you are acting, you are singing, you are, recording yourself sing, and then you are also doing like a nice B-roll cinematic thing on your song, on the song that you sang only. So you are doing so much right now. What is it that you've planned? Like what do you think you're going to do after this, like once the lockdown is done?
To be very honest, I have no idea. I'm just doing it because I get an idea in my head. So I'm like, chal, theek hai, let's make a video. I'm very lazy, first of all. That's the biggest problem. But हाँ यार, so the ones that I've been doing it right now, I've been in my head on my in my notes lying around somewhere for a very long time. But I put it to action because now there is nothing else to do. At the same time, after this, I have no idea. Like, you know, this is actually the time. It's been 3 to 4 days actually that I've actually sat back and I've started to think ki, this is I think I should do this, maybe I should do this. So planning has started off life after 10 years, to be very very honest. Yeah, very honest.
Because सब तो हो रहा था, whatever you
हाँ मतलब everything
हाँ,
was just coming and you know, but the thing was कि I should have just planned it also. वो मेरी गलती है कि what interests me, what doesn't interest me. Like creating content, uh, short content I would say, but for myself. मतलब मैं होना चाहिए उसमें. I wouldn't. हाँ मतलब मैं मेरे को करना है and it has to be comedy. Like that's my genre. I like that genre. That is one genre that you'll just like 1 मिनट 2 मिनट तो तुम देख ही सकते हो उसको and you'll like you know having a hearty laugh थोड़ा light हो गया. So that is and I like it also like you know मेरे को naturally वो आता है 2 3 stupid चीजें जैसे you know we need to talk जैसे कर लिया हम लोग ने. So that was ऐसे ही मतलब that was a thought very random and you know I just I wanted a girl so I asked Ash you'll do it over this one episode very stupid ki you know do something nice she just says do something nice so I just do poses but wo it just worked people said yaar acha hai ye and they you know started saying ki make more content make aisa so some few people said theek hai I mean for me creating content uh, for people to enjoy also plus for me also मेरा satisfact मतलब creative satisfaction मिला कि यार कुछ तो अलग किया even the like I did one you know ओ हमदम मैंने किया था stop block
yeah.
का एक तंग किया था so I want to do the entire stop block thing but I said कि ना पूरा stop block करूंगा बोर हो जाएगा so I made it a 1 minute track I like you know broke down my things and वो stop block actually everyone was like no कैसे किया यार मतलब इतना perfect मैं बोला भाई वो ना जुगाड़ स्टॉप ब्लॉक है जो मैंने किया और मेरे को पता है मैंने कैसे किया मतलब आई जस्ट कैलकुलेटेड इन माय हेड एंड इट हैपेंड इट मेहनती था वो भी बट थोड़ा
ये
कम मेहनत
टाइमिंग सेट करना पड़ेगा.
या सो बेसिकली व्हेन यू डू स्टॉप ब्लॉक इज एक एक
Yeah,
फ्रेम का पिक्चर खींचना पड़ता है तो यू
yeah.
हैव लाइक 150 200 इमेजेस बट मैंने वो नहीं किया अभी मैंने क्या किया मैं नहीं बताऊंगा बट हाँ बट हाँ मेहनत तो था बिकॉज यू नो यू डोंट हैव एनीवन टू शूट सो मैं ही कैमरा पकड़ के इधर से उधर कर रहा हूँ ये
Yeah.
शॉट लिया वो शॉट लिया अभी क्या है कि दिमाग में 100 चीजें आती है so just put it down on paper and you
Yeah.
know it's not about the followers anymore the last thing I posted I think was on 20th June because I'm like followers gaya bhaad mein you know people want to follow me they'll follow me if they like my work they'll come and they'll watch it but yeah whenever something comes to my head I just make something and then I post it and then you know that's the whole procedure
So you're just looking to make content that you look forward to. Like if you have a project in mind or if
Yeah,
something comes to you, you're just gonna go for it.
yeah. So there are certain things like, what if, like I always wanted to do this, but because of, maybe an act, कि मेरे को ये झामा करना था ये act में, but I couldn't do it because of budget constraints or because the सामने वाला didn't have the same vision like me. So how to do the same thing at home and me only doing it, वो उसका जुगाड़ कैसे निकालो. तो वो सब उसको ब्रेक, like if you have a professional camera with a gimbal with a, like someone like an Ujjwal, तो टेंशन ही नहीं, उसको सिर्फ बोलना है भाई तू ये हाँ हो जाएगा, अरे हो जाएगा 5 मिनट. But when it
Okay.
comes to you with your iPhone 11 with just one tripod and edit भी खुद करो, सब समझो, तो it takes time,
I
but
feel
it's a
you.
good learning process
I
also.
feel
Yeah.
you.
That's why, like, the reason why I learned editing also was that only. Like 5 years back, like 2015, I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and I didn't know like editors were charging a bomb. So I said, नहीं देने का ना editor को. मेरा thought है, मैं बनाएगा, मैं ही सीखेगा. So that's when I downloaded Premiere Pro, started learning it धीरे धीरे, मतलब खुद से ही. And then whatever effects I wanted, started. Effect चाहिए, जाओ 10 मिनट का tutorial देखो, 1 घंटा लगेगा, but chalega, it's worth it. At least you're doing it. So I saved up a lot of money on edits, and now people also, like, ask me to edit certain things. So people, if you want to edit anything, please let me know. I edit also. अभी लॉकडाउन में घर में बैठा हूँ तो edit भी करूँगा.
Contact Macedon008 if you want your work to be.
Yes, Ayushi_ice.
Now it's
Game number
time
2.
for us to play game number 2, which
Let's go.
is known as Make It Quick Honey.
Oh,
It's just a simple rapid fire round. Okay.
that's what she said.
I'll ask a few questions and then you have to answer as many as you can in a minute's time. Okay.
Done. Let's go.
And your time starts now. If not dance, what would you be famous for?
Acting.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you?
10. 11 नहीं है क्या?
Spot the first yellow thing around you.
Your painting.
Okay. Who is your favorite from Desi Opus?
Shantanu.
What was the last series/movie you watched online?
I'm currently watching Warrior Nun.
Okay. What is the first thing you notice about a girl when you first meet?
Her eyes, her smile or her eyes.
All right. What is the first thing you notice about a guy when you first meet?
His tone of talking.
Okay. Favorite lockdown activity?
Creating concepts.
Okay. Name the last person you kissed.
My
And
mom.
Very
Gwyneth was
fortunately.
Gwyneth.
Oh, so fortunately, the time also got over for a minute, and you did really well. Congratulations, clap for yourself.
Yeah.
Yay! And this brings us the end of episode 2, Macedon.
Whoa.
Thank you so much for doing this for me. It was super fun to talk to you. I don't think we've
Yes.
ever talked so much.
We've never spoken so much. But thank you so much for having me, Ayushi, and it was really great sharing the entire experience also. And यार बहुत मजा आया. बड़ा मजा आया.
Yes, thank you. Subscribe if you like this video.
Like, share also.
Like it, share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions for our next guest, please drop it in the comment section. If you have anything to say to Macedon or me, drop it in the comment section. Thank you so
Absolutely.
much for watching this episode. I will see you next Saturday for episode 3 with Dimples Out starring Ayushi. I am your host, signing off. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.